Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel your Uber Eats membership, also known as Uber One. Uber One gives us perks like discount and free delivery, but if you are not finding it's useful or it's too expensive, canceling is super easy. Here's how. First, open your Uber Eats app and tap on the account section in the bottom right corner. Next, scroll down until you see Uber One and tap on it. This will show you details about your subscription like saving and benefits. Now look for the Manage Membership option and tap on it. Here you will find your membership details and payment info. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on the End Membership. Uber will ask why you are canceling. Choose any reason that applies to you. After that, tap Continue. You might see a message reminding you on the perks you will lose, but just tap on that Continue again. On the final screen, you will see a confirmation that your Uber One benefit will end today. Simply tap End User Uber One, and that's it. Your subscription is now cancelled and you won't be charged again. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips.